Welcome to the Glass and Steel Painting Workshop, where we're going to paint a pretty advanced still life. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how to start a painting with masses rather than lines, which is a really nice fluid way to paint, and you'll be adjusting the drawing as you go. We'll cover the fine art of painting glass and mirrored surfaces, which are both quite tricky, and I'll show you how to create a painting that glows with colour, and the make and break technique for beautiful highlights. By the end of this lesson, you'll have the ability to tackle any still life with confidence. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.